To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, go to the Storage and Data option. Then, select Manage Storage. Once you're in this section, you can review the storage usage of each chat, and delete unnecessary files to free up space. First go to Larger than 5 MB section. You will see all media files larger than 5 MB, sorted by size for easy review. Browse through the files, and long press on the ones you no longer need. To select multiple items, tap on additional files as needed. Once you have made your selection, tap the delete icon. From the confirmation window, tap Delete. Now go back. You can save space by turning on disappearing messages, or by deleting unused app downloads directly from this section. If you scroll down, you will see a list of chats, each displaying the amount of storage it occupies. Tap on a specific chat to view all the media files shared in that conversation, including images, videos, voice messages, and documents. From here, you can delete any unnecessary files to free up space. So that's how you can efficiently manage storage on WhatsApp.